What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Elden Ring crashing to desktop and how we can fix it. So this is actually a very quick fix. So the one thing that you need to do is first of all disable the overclocking application and the apps. So just go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click on the task manager, expand this. And if you find anything like Discord, Riva Tuner, MSA Afterburner, anything, you can just remove all these things from here. And also if you install MSA Afterburner, HP, Omen, if any software is installed, just uninstall it. This is the first step. Next one is all about, just go over here, right click and directly navigate to, over here you can go to show more options. Now from here you can go to the Nvidia control panel. Now in the Nvidia control panel, we have to make two very important steps. One is just go to the manage 3D settings, keep scrolling down, and over here you can see there is an option called vertical sync. So you can first, you might be turned this off or kept it to use 3D application setting. First turn it off, then you can turn it on, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about what we need to do is, apart from this, we just need to go over here for the over here you have to go to Vulkan reality, not this one. We have to go for this one named, so Vulkan OpenGL present in method. From auto, change this one to prefer native. You have to set this to prefer native. Once afterwards, close this and you have to check with the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to download the graphics card. So the graphics card should be downloaded to the version 576.28. So just go to the drivers, or you can go over here. Now from here in the driver, select everything. Like you have to select GeoForce, what is your configuration, everything including your Windows 11, and all these things should be selected, and go for find. And once you go for the find, what we need to do is you can scroll down from here and you have to find the version 576.28, this version of the graphics card, not the older versions. And once you get into this version, you have to download this and install it, and that's what you have to try. So these are the steps when it comes to this, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.